Everyone's talking about AI replacing developers. You've seen the headlines. Will ChatGPT take my job? Is learning to code still worth it? But here's the truth no one's actually saying. AI isn't replacing developers, it's replacing copy-pasters. Let's talk about what's really changing and how you can actually future-proof your career right now. AI is evolving fast. Tools like GitHub, Copilot, and ChatGPT can now write boilerplate code, debug errors, and even build small apps. So yeah, if all you know how to do is follow a YouTube tutorial and copy code, you should be worried. But if you're learning how to think like a developer, how to solve real problems, ship real products, and work in teams, AI isn't your replacement. It's a superpower. So how do you become a developer that AI won't replace? It comes down to three things: problem solving, communication, and real world experience. Let's break those down. AI can write functions, but it doesn't know your users, your business model, your edge case. Companies hire developers who can think in systems. That means understanding what to build, why it matters, and how to adapt when things break. It's not about memorizing syntax anymore. It's about being a digital problem solver. Most devs don't work alone. You're working with designers and product managers, maybe even clients. The best devs explain why they built something and how they solved a problem. AI can't jump into a team stand-up and say, here's how I handled responsive layout bugs across breakouts. You can, and that's irreplaceable. You can't just learn theory anymore. You need to actually apply it in real-world scenarios. That's why we focus on building full-stack projects, collaborating with mentors, and learning from real feedback, because that's how you gain experience AI can't replicate. In fact, 76% of employers still rank project portfolios and communication skills over technical tests alone. So yes, AI is changing things, but not in the way the doomers say. It's not removing jobs, it's just raising the bar. And if you're learning the right way with a system that builds your problem solving, your confidence, and your resume, you're ahead of the curve. Don't waste time learning the old way. Copying code, hoping it clicks. Learn like someone who wants to actually get hired in the real world. Structured projects, real feedback, and a clear path. That's how you stand out, even in an AI-powered world.